Hare Krishna. This is a small video to let you know about an online couples retreat my wife and I are doing the first and second weekend of August. It's going to be amazing. I want you to come. You're going to learn things that you're doing wrong that are undermining your marriage that you may not be aware of. You're going to learn things that you should be doing that are really obvious and simple, but not so obvious to most of us. Little things that can make a big difference in your marriage. Now, we all know how important devotee relationships are, and what to speak of a relationship with our spouse. So, if you only learn a few things, I can guarantee those few things will make a huge difference, and you're probably going to learn a lot more than a few. And if you learn that one or two things that is causing problems in your marriage, for sure causing problems, and you're not aware of it, that's going to be huge. So what we've done is we've taken a course that should go for 3 days. We've condensed it into a very simple, straightforward workshop. It's only going to be 3.5 hours a day for 2 days. We're going to be doing exercises within the workshop so you can apply the principles. As we're going through the workshop, we're going to give you more principles and exercises you can take home with you. It is going to make a difference, and over the long term of this relationship you have, you're going to see those differences exponentially benefit your marriage. So my humble request is please come. I'd love to see you there. I would love to help you. This is such an important workshop because relationships are difficult, as you know, and there are a few things we can learn that will make them a lot easier, smoother, and happier, and with good relationships. Everything is good. Hare Krishna. Well, almost everything. Hare Krishna.